একটা আইডিয়া আমাদের মাথায় বেশ অনেকদিন ধরে ঘুরপাক খাচ্ছে। The idea is how you actually make an entire future generation more empathic. Um, কেন empathic হওয়াটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট? সেটা হচ্ছে যে our understanding is every kind of problem that we are having now on society, starting from poverty to uh, the division in the society at different level. Um, it's the root cause of it is not having enough empathy for other people. As adult, we don't understand other people's pain, other people's need, uh, and that's the kind of a basic starting point why different types of problems start to happen. War, for example, is one. Uh, is a lack of empathy for another society, another country, another human being. So our understanding was it's very difficult to change the adult, to change the mindset, but it's always, if we plan carefully, we can always change the future generation, the children, and actually can make them more empathic and human values, ethics. এই জিনিসগুলো is fairly easy to instill in a child. So সেই জায়গা থেকে, সেই চিন্তা থেকে আমরা we started thinking about building a series of books, a series of contents on the issue of empathy. So under the empathy series আমরা যেটা প্ল্যান করছি, এবং the empathy and values এই সিরিজের আন্ডারে is to talk about how as a child you can start becoming more empathic towards your friends, towards your neighbors, towards the society, even towards environment, এবং other animals. So এমপ্যাথির বীজটা যদি আমরা খুব অল্প বয়সে শিশুদের মধ্যে দিয়ে দিতে পারি, this is something that will eventually grow. Parents have a huge role to play in this thing, but আমাদের understanding হচ্ছে parents always want their child to be a good human being. Often time they don't understand how to do that, কারণ হচ্ছে যে বাচ্চারা সবসময় আসলে তারা শেখে আসলে অন্যকে দেখে rather than কোনো কিছু তাদেরকে বলা হওয়ার চেয়ে. So if in the family and in the society we're not practicing values and empathy for others, then children are not probably learn that. So it's about giving the right tools to the parents also, to the schools, to the teachers, that you see these are some of the tools, books, contents, everything that you can actually use uh, to help your children, to help your students to be more empathic. অ্যান্ড এমপ্যাথি ব্যাপারটা এরকম যে মোটামুটি 5 বছর বয়স যখন হয় বাচ্চাদের, তখন থেকেই ওর মধ্যে এই এমপ্যাথির ব্যাপারটা, মানে দ্য চাইল্ড স্টার্ট টু রিয়েলাইজ দ্যাট ওয়ার্ল্ড ডাজন্ট রিভলভস অ্যারাউন্ড হিম অর হার। এর আগ পর্যন্ত শিশুরা ফেয়ারলি কাইন্ড অফ থাকে আর কি বলে এটাকে, সবকিছু তার নিজের হবে। সো দ্যাটস ওয়াই চিলড্রেন আন্ডার 5 ডোন্ট ওয়ান্ট টু শেয়ার এনিথিং উইথ আদার্স। So একটু কাইন্ড অফ স্বার্থপর থাকে ছোট বাচ্চারা। But as they grow old, they start to realize from society, from his family, that that the world is more than just him and his needs, right? So this is exactly the right moment to start building empathy and values in a child. So imagine Bangladeshe এখন like 3 কোটি বাচ্চা আছে, and if we can make sure that these resources, this content, these tools reach out to all these children, and then probably because of this, 20 years from now we'll have a generation of adults who are way more empathic and considerate for others' need, and then we're gonna have a better society. যেটা কিনা thinks about not just individual need but also think about the society's need and other people's need. And that is something that if you can do, that will help. I strongly believe that will help to create a better future society. So that is something that we are really passionate about, and we'll be continuously building new resources and products and content that helps a child um, to become more empathic, to become an empathic adult. Um, and I look forward to the amazing work that the team is doing. Um, so yeah, really excited about the whole thing.